Corner. Today I want to go over a program called OpenOffice. Now I know everybody out there remembers Microsoft Word program. You know, everybody uses that to edit all their Word documents and so forth. But the only thing is though, if you want to download it though, you have to pay a fee on it. Of course, I understand, you know, you want to pay the fee and you want to use their product. Now, not everybody has the money to pay for their product, especially you have um, Microsoft Writer, you got spreadsheets and presentations and things like that. So if you don't have the money, OpenOffice is another alternative if you look for something that's free. Now, if you're a student for Microsoft, for a school or something like that, usually you get a discount when it comes to Office. But even still, sometimes students don't have the money for that. So I do want to go over this one comes to Apache here, OpenOffice. OpenOffice have all these different things. You have the writer, so you can use for processing, far as in the letter and so forth here, like you see here. You got a spreadsheet here, multimedia presentations, diagrams, databases, mathematical equations. So you have all these different things on here. Now, far as in this here, it's again, it's free. You do not have to pay a dime for this, and you can use this on any computer, far as in your desktop. It works on Windows 7 on up that I've seen here. You can go to this link up here, as you see, openoffice.org. Go click on that, type that in, and hit enter. It'll bring you there, and you can go click on download to download it. Now, once you get there, you can do 32-bit or 64-bit. You can use it on Linux as well. You can go to more platforms. You choose which one you want. Far as in the file itself here, it shouldn't take too long here. As you can see here, for installations, be 134 megabytes. Um, so it would take some time to download. Once you download it there, you choose on which ones you want to install on there too. You can do writer, calculator, whatnot. Depends on how much hard drive space you need, how many you have on there. If you need all of them, you can select all of them, or you can just do a few. Depends on what you want to do. Now, I already have it on mine here, so let's do that. Um, I have OpenOffice, and ones I have here is the writer, and I have the calculator. Those are the ones I have here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the writer, so you have an idea on what it looks like. Pretty much it'll almost look the same as you would do far as Microsoft itself. Pretty much just about the same far as in this here. You have all these different features, navigation, alignment, and all that. You can do what you want. You have the sidebars over here. Um, just like Office, you can insert different things. Have all the different features as well, pictures and stuff like that as well. If you need to save it, you can click on Save As. And even tells you you have an update if need be. You can go ahead and down to the website. Now, you can change it to any type of format to save it to, as you can see. So whatever format you need to save it to, you can go ahead and do that right here. So you'll be good to go far as in saving it, opening it up in from a Word document if need be. You can do that. Also, I'll go ahead and do the Open Office Calc. This is the one for the spreadsheets. One comes to the spreadsheets here. You can sit there and do your reports and so forth in here. As you can see, it just looks like the Microsoft spreadsheets. Same thing. You have your tabs down there, and you can basically do a lot with this one here. You can do your charts as you see here. So it all depends on what you want to do. See? You can do pie, bar, column, whatever you need. it can be done. So you get all these different features. You don't have to pay anything. Just make sure your computer's up to date with the latest software and it will run just fine. So you won't have any issues whatsoever when it comes to this here. Um, Again, it's a very good product. And I never really gone with anything else. Yes, I've been with Microsoft for years as far as some Word documents and whatnot. I use their products. Don't get me wrong, they're good. But over time, when funds decide to get very low, you don't have the money to go out and buy a new Word program one that upgrade, which I totally understand. Don't get me wrong, Microsoft, you're very good at the programs that you have. Don't get me wrong. But when it comes to funding and I don't have the money, OpenOffice was my first choice. So I would recommend this to anybody right now. As far as when they look for something free and alternative, they're the best. I've been using them for years. I never have a problem. Well, thank you for coming to Joe's Tech Corner, and you guys have yourself a great day. Take care.